Yeah, we got our first one tonight, starting a little late. $7, 2 miles, liquor. We're going to a booze shop. Alright, we were able to pick up the liquor. We're gonna go 0.7 miles to deliver. Right, easy enough. Now we're going to McDonald's. I think this was $8 for 3 miles. Wearing the chest plate again today. It'll just be easier to handle whatever we're picking up.
Turn left on West Schreiber Avenue.
Damn, traffic here is pretty bad.
Turn left on West Schreiber Avenue, then turn right on North Harlem Avenue.
You're here for a pickup.
I think it's that one.
And I think it's the one I'm doing. Yeah. You give me a second, all right?
Yeah, no problem. Training is better.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Head to your drop
Thank you.
off in 5.
And man, that guy was slow. Yikes. Hello. Is this 515?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, man. Okay.
Hi.
Oh,
Thank you.
hello.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. It's asking for a pin?
I know. I don't know my pin. I'm trying to find it.
It's okay. I can
Okay.
I can bypass
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you. All set. Now back to the car. Damn, I missed out on that one. $9, 2 miles. Damn it. All right, we're going Bluefish Sushi. $9.50 for 2.5 miles. Even better. Bluefish Sushi. It's pretty nice here, but there's no parking. So annoying. Hello, for Kathleen. Thank you. Now we're going 1.5 miles to deliver this to Kathleen. Not bad for $9. Hello. Pick up for Marius.
Pick up?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yes, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much. All three, yes. Oof. We are going to Lola's Diner.
Just ahead, turn left on Elm Street.
I believe this is $9. 5 miles, 4 miles. Not actually sure. Hello. Pick up for Trisha.
Can you
Trisha
click on
B?
it?
Oh, the order?
Yeah.
Ooh, broccoli.
All right.
Head to your drop off at 620.
All right.
Highway.
We got her omelets. At lobby. Okay. The smell in here reminds me of New York.
Message from Trisha P. I'll pause.
Wow, slowest elevator. Succeed.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. Awesome. There's no door closed. It's only door open. All right, let's see how long this takes.